Friends are everything in this business. So today I'm stopping by one of my good friends' open house. This is the first day. Her house is on the market. Her name is Zulma. She's badass. And we're here in my stomping grounds, Huntington Beach, which is one of the markets I try and work in. So let's take a look at the house. So, one of the first really cool things I love about this area is just its location. The green belt, the park for your kids, for your own walking pleasure, for your pets. It's also right up the street from Fountain Valley. And then you can also see in the video, it's right next to a fairly major street in Huntington, Garfield, but it's not very busy. It's not very loud from where the house is set up. So as you enter the home itself, you will be greeted by staircase. Then to the left, you have the living room, dining room area, total blank slate. Sellers are leaving that open. So use your imagination to figure out how you would style it and lay that out. You have a main floor bedroom and bathroom combination and access to the 2-car garage. Again, you can design this however you see fit. And this has a lot of versatility for anyone who wants or needs to be on the main floor. You don't have to go up the stairs to most of the bedrooms and bathrooms. In the kitchen, you see that really cool brick fireplace, and then you have a well taken care of kitchen. It's a little bit dated. It's Wolf appliances, but the owners of this property really wanted to take good care of the home. They're second generation here, so even though the appliances are dated, it's looks immaculate. It's been well taken care of. They also put new flooring throughout the house. So you have new flooring on the bottom stairs, new carpeting upstairs, and then you have several outlets to get outside to the backyard and a lot of natural light funneling into this main floor from different areas. In the backyard, looks like we have RV space. Not surprising in this area, a lot of folks like to travel, so they put their RVs on the side of the house. And then you got about 6,500 square feet of outside space that you can do whatever you want. You see some mature citrus, orange, and lemon and lime trees as well. So use your imagination to see what you'd want to do with that. Now we make our way upstairs to the rest of the house. You got the primary bedroom and bathroom here with 2 closets. You see new carpeting all around. These are also new windows all upstairs, all recently replaced in the last year. And then a newly redone main bathroom as well. Dual vanities, really nicely done. Then we continue down the hallway to one of the next rooms, and that should be a recently redone guest bathroom as well. Also nicely done. And then you have your 2 additional bedrooms here. And again, they didn't do any staging here, so this is your opportunity to put your own imprint on this. Bedrooms, this could be a desk, this could be an office, this could be a little tiny gym, whatever you want to do with it. So my final thoughts about this house. I think this is a great area, really peaceful, really quiet, access to a lot of highly rated schools, a lot of space in this home. So let's do some housekeeping here. The home itself is 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, about 2,300 square feet on the inside. They're asking $1.5 million. You have new flooring downstairs, new carpet upstairs, and recently replaced windows, recently replaced HVAC. They've done a lot of the mechanical replacements. And then in general, it's a really well taken care of home that you can put your own personal taste and stylings in. Now, the last thing to just quickly give you an overview, if you want to know if you could afford this. At 1.5 with current interest rates around 7.43%, you're looking at a down payment of 20%, and your total monthly payment is about $10,200, and that breaks down to about $8,300 for the principal and interest, $1,500 for property taxes, and another $400 for the insurance. So if you want to see this property, do a tour, you can reach out to me, or you can reach out to my friend Zoma of Bonaventure Realties. But I'll catch you on the next video, and let me know what you think.